Everybody, welcome to my channel. I am here in Russian store in Beersheva and I buy, what do you call this? Gizzard. Chicken gizzard. I like it. I buy 1 kilo is 14.90 shekel. Very cheap. All kind of chicken is here. Meron din silang, they have also turkey. Chicken legs, chicken breast, chicken whole chicken wings. I don't know this. Chicken legs also. Liver. And then chicken neck. Chicken skin. Oh, many. If you want to come here, if you want to buy chicken, you come here in Beersheva to Russian store. And also have beef. They have also beef and so many Filipino looking for pork. Many pork available here. From legs, sanggipsal, ribs, fat.